What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can earn up to an extra $250 to $500 a month by simply promoting Chime Bankcard. Let's get it. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Jay Free of I Am T2G, and where we believe in prosperity and abundance for all those with a dream and a grind to make it reality. It's all about securing that bag, being financially set and free in your life. If you vibe with that, please be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Join the T2GM fam and turn on post notifications by hitting that bell button so that way you never miss a video as I upload it, okay? So basically, today's video is just simply about the Chime Bankcard. Now, just a minute, I'm gonna go into my computer and just do a review about Chime Card and how you can actually promote Chime Card to other people. And I'm gonna explain to you the market that you can go after. That'll be most beneficial to both parties. Now, I myself, I'm an entrepreneur, so I'm gonna explain what that means, how this can work for a certain market in the next couple of minutes. So without me doing too much talking, I'm just going to get to the computer and I'm going to show you a few things. So let's get to it. All right. Okay guys, so here we are, we on my computer. So I wanted to talk to you today about Chime Bankcard. Now, the way that I'm talking about promoting it is mostly in the realm of people who are looking for employment or people who are currently employed. Now, obviously this channel is about primarily entrepreneurship too, about focused on being an entrepreneur, side hustles, even if you do keep your job, whatever it may be. But I feel as though this could be a good income stream for anyone, not just a person who's an entrepreneur like myself, but even if you're looking for work or if you currently are working, this is a great side hustle and it's beneficial to you as well as others who are still in the 9-to-5 hustle. So Chime Bankcard, banking the way it should be, get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit. You can say goodbye to hidden bank fees and you can grow your savings automatically. So pretty much they saying they one of the fastest growing bank accounts in America. You get a Chime Visa debit card, which is what I have, a spending account and an optional savings account, and it's all managed through their mobile banking app. So for people who, like I said, that work a job, like you can get your paycheck early, you can receive it up to 2 days earlier. There's people that I refer to Chime and they usually would get paid on Fridays of a pay week. And with Chime, they ended up starting to get paid Wednesdays. So they actually get their paycheck actually 2 days sooner. Now, it depends on the actual bank. Sometimes people get it the day before or a day sooner. But most people that I've been referring Chime to have been getting paid 2 days sooner than their actual pay date. So no hidden fees, there's no monthly fees, no hidden fees, no kind of required minimum balance that you have to have with most bank accounts, which is pretty awesome. As you see right here, just an example of someone who got their paycheck 2 days earlier. And also just keeping them updated with your balance with daily balance alerts, daily balance notifications, instant transaction alerts anytime you use the card, which is pretty awesome. Another thing that they have is about growing your savings automatically. So what Chime does have, they actually have a way inside their settings where you can literally have 10% of your work pay automatically deducted from your paycheck when it hits your Chime card, and they send it to your savings account automatically. You don't have to worry about doing it yourself. 10% of your paycheck, you can have it. All you gotta do is click a button and it'll actually take 10% of your paycheck and send it into your actual your savings account. So it's a way to grow your savings if you're saving for whatever it is. Most of the time, me as an entrepreneur, I always save money to invest it into something else to make even more money. So there's no, what they say in the business world, don't save to save, save to invest. But if that's not what you're into, that's fine. If you choose to save it for a vacation or whatever you're trying to do, this is a great way to do it automatically, where they just take 10% of your check and then you can optionally put it into a savings. And if you don't want that much, you can just still do it, and then you could they give you 6 times to transfer money between the spending account and your savings account. So that way, you don't have to put all of it in there, the whole 10% in there if you don't want to. Obviously, it comes with the debit card, 5-star reviews, and so forth. But basically, one thing that I love about Chime Card is that they have where you can track your spending. One of the reasons I got Chime Card is, one, I'm not in a 9-to-5 hustle. I'm a full-time work from home digital entrepreneur. Been doing it for years. But I saw that outside of my traditional bank account, I was getting a lot less fees, and I was able to get my money from various little affiliate offers I promote quicker through my Chime Card. So that's that's the main reason that I got it. I still have a traditional bank account, but this is something I flush money into as well, and I can get money sooner with this one versus my traditional bank account. So pretty much the way that is how you can make money with this is you can simply refer people who are currently looking for work, or people who currently do work, especially if they're on Social Security or something like that, and they get direct deposit. They can get their money up to 2 days sooner, and that's a great way to promote this, as well as the tracking, where you're able to track your spending. They actually will do like a pie graph, and they will track your spending in different areas, from services to food and grocery to whatever kind of bills, whatever, and then you can literally track where your money is going when you spend it on your Chime Card. And it's very powerful. To me, that's a great selling point as well. But again, like I said, you can actually earn $50 when you simply refer someone to Chime Card. This is how it works. You refer someone $50. You refer someone to Chime Card, you get paid $50 when they enroll in direct deposit for Chime Card, and they receive their first direct deposit for Chime Card of $200 or more within 45 days. So if I refer Jamie, and Jamie signed up for Chime Card, and he enrolled in direct deposit, he will get $50 as well for enrolling in direct deposit. Loans to direct deposit is $200 or more within 45 days of signing up. So it's pretty much easy money. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. It's like easy money, right? So the only thing you have to do is literally just show people, just tell people, hey, 2 days sooner, you can get your pay 2 days sooner. You're able to really track your spending on your card, so you can see where you're spending most of your money to help you with your spending habits. And as well, hey, you can earn an extra $50 by just signing up for direct deposit, of having a direct deposit for $200 or more, hit your Chime account within 45 days of when you sign up. So that's the whole setup. That's the whole setup of how you can do it. So I say an extra $250 to $500, 5 to 10 people. As many people that work jobs. There's people who would love to get their money much sooner than a traditional bank card, than a traditional bank account. And you can just share with them. So 5 to 10 people, all they have to do is just sign up for the account. It's free. Only thing they have to do, sign up for direct deposit, and make sure they have their make sure that their direct deposit of at least $200 hits their account within 45 days of when they sign up. So easy money, and they get you get $50 for referring them, they get $50 for doing it. So it's a win-win situation. You can find 5 to 10 people a month to do that, to make an extra $250 or $500 to $500. Or if you can do better than that, hey, that's even better too. You know, at the end of the day, it's a win-win situation, right? So now that you know about Chime, and now that you know how you can make money with them, with their program, here's a couple of things that you can do. In this example, I'm using Facebook. Now I'm showing you a free way, and I'm showing you a paid way on how to do this. Now, obviously, you can go into the Facebook groups, jobs that are hiring near me. Obviously, these groups will be people who are looking for work, or maybe job opportunities, something like that. Job opportunities, excuse me. Sorry. job opportunities, even online business opportunities, because like I said, I'm an entrepreneur who promotes online business opportunities as well. And it's a great way for us as home business entrepreneurs to get money, get our commissions from what we promote sooner than going to an actual bank or something like the actual traditional banks and stuff like that. So you can go into these actual group opportunities groups, more specifically actual job posting groups. So we just say job postings. You can go in there and actually sign up for these groups. If they close or open, whatever, join them. And then you can just simply share a post saying, hey, I just recently found this card that allows you to get paid up to 2 days sooner, as well as help you accurately track your spending so you can curb your spending habits, and you can earn an extra $50 just by signing up for their direct deposit, as long as it's a direct deposit of $200 or more in 45 days if you signing up, yada yada yada. And there's so many people that are going to want more information. You just give them your referral link when you sign up for Chime, and they sign up to your referral link, and then once they set up direct deposit and the $200, and as long as it's $200 or more within 45 days of starting, boom, you get $50 for referring them. They get $50 for actually performing the action. So that's one way, the free way. Now here's a paid way, Facebook ads. So I'm just going to say maybe engagement or something like that. My whole point is just to get to the audience part. So basically, you can just run a Facebook ad if you want to. If you need help with Facebook ads, just send me comment below. I do some videos about it, or you can just YouTube it. There's plenty of videos here on YouTube about how to run Facebook ads. So I'm not gonna go through all that, but I want to get to the audience part. Basically, what you can do is you can target people who are already working a job, and put Chime in front of their face, and maybe preferably do a video about it. So basically what I'm saying is we can come down here, do detailed targeting. We can go by people who work a certain place, or we can just say Wendy's. Let's do it like this. Wendy's is I love Wendy's, right? So let's just say Wendy's, and we'll find people who work. Here it is. People who listed their employer as Wendy's. So I would hit this. Now I can put my Facebook ad in front of people who have listed in their profile that they work for Wendy's. So let's just say Arby's or something like that. People who say they work for Arby's. So these are people who have already said, look, I work for a job. I work a 9 to 5. You can put that card, the Chime card, in front of them and say, hey, work at Wendy's, or if you work at Arby's, listen, how would you like to use the Chime card to get paid up to 2 days sooner, and everything else I just said in the beginning. So that's the second way to do it, using Facebook ads. And you can easily just go ahead and put the ad in front of people who are working already. And trust me, a lot of people, there's a decent amount of people who will reach out, who will want more information about it. It's free. And hey, everybody likes to earn $50 by simply just signing up for something. And at the same time, the card has amazing benefits compared as a great alternative to a traditional bank account. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you got value from it. That's how you can earn an extra $250 to $500 per month or more with using promoting Chime card. Now again, I'm not guaranteeing that you would do that. I should have did this in the beginning of the video, but please, this is a disclaimer. I'm not guaranteeing that you would do this. You may make more money, less money, or none at all. It just depends on your effort and your dedication and commitment to making it work. So let me make sure that I put that in there as well. So with that being said, again, I hope you got value from it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're interested in this and you want to sign up for Chime for the benefits for yourself, as well as to refer people and get paid like what this video was about in the first place, the link is in the description, in the first link in the description. Go ahead, sign up for it. Like I said, I'm a Chime member myself. I love it. Again, not for 9 to 5, but for affiliate commissions from affiliate offers that I promote. Pretty good. So with that being said, Make sure again, sign up for Chime if you want to check it out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Turn on post notifications. Also check out other playlists and resources that I have in the description as well that may help you in your make money journey. And with that being said, it's your boy Jay Free from I Am T2GM. Again, breed discipline, achieve transformation, spread impact, and I catch you guys in the next video. So I'm out.